We're gonna need water for this hike, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Jess, how are you feeling? Are you feeling better?
A little bit, yeah.
A little bit? This is not the end. Adventure Adam ahead. Very excited. Jess is feeling a lot better today, which is super stoking for us. We are going on an adventure. We are going from Koh Village, where we're staying, to a place called Police Beach, which is really close. That's where all the raves are, like every Wednesday and Saturday on the island. That's where the full moon party's at as well. And then we are going to Long Beach. To get to the beginning of it, takes about 45 minutes, I think, to an hour. We're taking the long way though. There is a jungle way to get there, but we're taking the beach way because apparently the jungle way is a little bit more sketchy now. They've taken a rope away or something like that. So anyways, this is our adventure to Long Beach. Enjoy. All right, we haven't walked very far and we're already on this like rave set. Check this out. Is it actually Alice in Wonderland theme?
Alice cocktail, Mad Hatter, and the bottle, this one makes you taller. Shut up.
Okay, so I think we're gonna probably...
When is this happening? We need to come back.
I think it's happening tonight, to be honest with you. Yeah, pretty wild stuff. This is the first time I've actually been over on Police Beach and seen this kind of rave setup. We have been here for, what, how many days? Like 10 days almost now? We've now convinced ourselves that we're definitely going to have to stay here for one of these nights and just have a blast, have a riot. And I can only imagine what happens at night and how cool it gets in here. This looks like some kind of like gas station or shipping.
It does look like that.
It does, right?
Yeah.
And then I don't know if this complex over here is new. I think it is. I think it's new. I think they're building something here, or they're demolishing something and trying to build something else. Yeah, I don't know. It's all a pretty interesting place and could be, you know, in the next few years, maybe quite a significant port here in Koh Rong. So. Oh no, this doesn't look promising. We've been walking for what, half an hour now? And it's still the same kind of like dirt roads and all that, but it is scorching hot. Back home it's like minus 26 in Canada.
It was minus 37 the other day with the wind chill.
Minus 37?
Mm-hmm.
30 below. And here it's like plus 30. Ooh, big difference. When did it rain? Last night, hey? All right, we finally made it to the start of Long Beach. And I don't really recommend that walk for anyone, to be honest with you. Got something in my eye. Especially when it's this hot out. It's like, we're like, oh yeah, 45 minutes, an hour, perfect. We'll walk there, no problem, no problem. Sure enough, it's like scorching hot and we're beat, but there is a plus side. This is like one of the most beautiful beaches. The sand is like white, 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 and the water's awesome, and it's just so beautiful. It's absolutely awesome. So we've been walking for what feels like an absolute lifetime for at least the last couple of hours. We're basically walking from Long Beach to Sok San. Sok San has a boat that takes us basically there back to Koh Rong village, and that's about 6 o'clock. So it's like 4:30 right now. Yeah, it's a long walk. I don't really recommend it if you're not an active person. I found this lure that was washed up on the shore, and when we go to Sok San, I'm gonna go find a fisherman to give it to. It doesn't look very fresh, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna give it to somebody, so we'll see. Sok San is right about there, and we have all that beach to walk. Not too far. Well, guys, we finally made it, and that's the sound of a beer, because we deserve it. That was one of the most hardcore walks. I think we walked for how many hours? 4?
Like easily 4.
Easily 4 hours.
If not 5. So
Easily 4 or 5 hours.
Yeah.
So we were like exposed to the sun, as you guys just saw, like walking here and so on and so forth. Look at my face. I'm gonna wake up and I'm gonna be red tomorrow. So, oh man. The arches of my feet kill right now. Anyways, I'm not gonna complain because it is beautiful, but the sand is so fine that every step you take, you sink into it. And the lure I found apparently was super dangerous. They're like, I guess borderline illegal or something. Plus, they're super sharp and unsafe to have on the beach. So after I showed you guys the blue and gold one I had, I think it was blue and gold, I found a pink one and I gave them to the bartender who's here right now, and he was super stoked. He's like, good, take them off the beach. We don't want anyone using them. Anyways, cheers to an expedition and a well-deserved beer.
Yeah, cheers, oh my gosh. Now I read for a few minutes.
We'll eventually get back to Koh Rong village, but I am so beat. I hope we can go to this rave tonight. Stay tuned.